Imagine boarding the world's most luxurious ship, a vessel declared unsinkable, only to vanish beneath the icy depths of the Atlantic just days later. The Titanic was meant to be the pinnacle of human engineering, yet on April 15, 1912, it met a tragic and mysterious fate. Was it merely an unfortunate accident, or is there more to the story than we've been told? Hidden fires, secret conspiracies, and even whispers of a cursed artifact. What really caused the Titanic to disappear? Let's uncover the truth behind one of history's greatest maritime mysteries. On a crisp April night in 1912, the RMS Titanic, a gleaming symbol of human ambition, slipped beneath the frigid waves of the North Atlantic, taking over 1,500 lives with her. To this day, her story haunts the world, not just as a tragedy, but as an enduring enigma. How did the unsinkable meet such a catastrophic end? The Titanic was born from rivalry. In the early 20th century, shipping companies competed to build the fastest, grandest ocean liners. The White Star Line's answer was the Titanic, 882 feet of steel luxury, boasting electric elevators, a swimming pool, and opulent suites. Her 16 watertight compartments earned her the label unsinkable in newspapers. Yet hubris lurked beneath the glamour. The bulkheads didn't reach the upper decks, and lifeboats numbered only 20, enough for half the passengers. On April 10, 1912, she embarked from Southampton, England, carrying 2,200 souls, millionaires, immigrants, and crew. For 4 days, the voyage was uneventful. Then warnings began. Other ships radioed ice alerts, but Titanic's wireless operators, overwhelmed with passenger messages, dismissed some. Captain Edward Smith, under pressure to maintain speed, kept the engines at full throttle. At 11:40 p.m. on April 14th, lookout Frederick Fleet spotted a dark mass ahead. "Iceberg right ahead," he shouted. First Officer William Murdoch ordered a sharp turn and reversed engines, but it was too late. The iceberg scraped the starboard side, ripping a 300-foot gash. Water flooded 6 compartments. The Titanic could survive 4 flooded, not 6. As engineers scrambled, passengers lingered in disbelief. The ship's orchestra played ragtime. First-class passengers joked about the minor incident, but crewmen soon realized the truth. By midnight, lifeboats began loading, women and children first. Chaos erupted as third-class passengers, trapped below, fought to reach the decks. Distress flares lit the sky, but the nearest ship, the Californian, ignored them. Its radio operator had gone to bed. The Carpathia, 58 miles away, raced to help but arrived too late. By 2 a.m., the Titanic's bow plunged underwater. The stern rose vertically, lights blazing before snapping under pressure. At 2:20 a.m., the ship vanished into the blackness. Survivors in lifeboats heard screams as hundreds froze in the menacing water. Only 706 lived. Third-class passengers were left to fend for themselves. For 73 years, the Titanic's grave remained hidden. In 1985, Robert Ballard found her 12,500 feet deep, split in two. Some theorists argue the fire, burning for days, compromised the ship's integrity. Others blame a perfect storm of hubris, shortcuts, and bad luck. The Titanic's story is more than a disaster. It's a mirror, a reflection of class divides, human arrogance, and fragile technology. Yet her wreck, now slowly dissolving, remains a memorial. Artifacts, a child's shoe, a pocket watch frozen in time, speak of lives interrupted. Was her sinking fate or folly? Perhaps both. The Titanic's greatest lesson is timeless. No creation, however grand, can defy nature's wrath. Her mystery endures, not in how she sank, but in why we still can't look away. In the end, the Titanic is more than a shipwreck. She is a warning, a myth, and a requiem for the lives lost to the icy Atlantic, a story forever etched in the deep.